In our design and modeling unit, the first thing you need to know is how to use our three-dimensional modeling program, and it's called Autodesk Inventor Professional 2013. In that program, you'll be making this cube, a triangular prism, a cylinder, a half cylinder, a cube with a hole in it, and then finally you'll be creating this assembly. This is actually 1 out of 5 assemblies, so you learn how to connect parts once you make parts. So let's go ahead and open the program and take a look at some of the specifics of the program.
Now I have the newer version of Windows, so my search is a little bit different than yours. You're going to click on your search window in the lower left-hand corner of your screen and search for Inventor. And you're choosing Inventor Professional 2022. Go ahead and open it. And it does take a while for it to open, so give it time. Don't click on it again thinking it's not opening, because it's a very hefty program and more than one instance open will bog down the computer. In order to use the program, you need to log in using your email. So it'll be your school email. I made an account with my personal email so I could add myself as a student and show you what you need to do in order to successfully log in. So I'll go ahead and hit next, and it'll recognize that this email is a user, but it turned red because it says this account is reserved and pending creation via an email invitation. So that email would have been sent this morning. You need to hit resend if you didn't see the email and click on it, and then check your Gmail. Here I'm in my Gmail, and here is my email from Autodesk. And it says I've been added. I want to create my account now, so click on the link. And I need to confirm my email address. Again, remember it is for you, your school Gmail. Set up your password using the same password you use in school, the same one you use to log on to the computers. And I agree. Create account. And done. Okay, so here's my Autodesk account on the web, but now I want to go back to my Inventor. So it's looking like it closed when I went to confirm the email, so I need to open it again. And now I should be able to log in using the password I just set up. So your school email. And I want to, let's see, protect your account. Let's say remind me later, because that's the authorization, that two-step verification with your phone. So remind me later. And now it should open. The very first time you open Inventor, you'll see this splash screen that asks you if you want to start learning or start working. So just choose Start Working.